Huh? That I fucking kill only on the weekends. So Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I'm doing yoga and meditation. Tuesdays and Thursdays, hookers and sticking up joints, huh? You call me mad? Fuck, compared to you, I'm the sanest motherfucker I know. Yeah, sane.
Okay.
I am so fucking sane that I should open a fucking mental health clinic.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, fuck, now you're gonna stop being an asshole?
I don't know, but I'll try.
Well, that, I like your honesty on. I spoke to Franklin.
Why?
Unlike you, he hears that his homie's having trouble, right? And he has no problem coming to help.
So you're ensuring that we lie low. Out here, by calling LS and inviting a known accomplice of ours
You know
to
what?
come out here, what, for a little visit?
That is so fucking typical of you. So typical. You don't even ask about the trouble. You instantly think about yourself.
You're right. I did do that. Apologize.
It's not good enough. I'm leaving, huh? I might die. Hope you're happy.
Right? Hey, I'm coming with you.
No.
Yes, I am.
No.
If nothing else, to get out of this fucking dump.
You're not going.
Have fun, boys.
Oh, I'm going. Make sure you don't
Don't
fuck
stay
it up.
out too late.
So what is Franklin doing for you anyway?
He's tailing some guys, Mikey. Tailing.
If he's back in Sandy Shores, why didn't I hear about it? God damn it!
Shit! They see us, man. We gotta stay on. That's right, Chop. We gonna fuck them up as soon as Trevor get here. Hey, man, me and Chop on these punks. We coming up to WH, north of Chumas.
All right. The O'Neill brothers are coming to us.
I think they was about to send one of them anti-tank rockets into your Vespucci condo when one of your roomies told them that you was gone.
Okay, so if you're on the WH, that means you'll be coming through Ratton Canyon, right?
Shit, I guess.
Good. Me and MT are gonna take the company chopper and meet you there. Company chopper, yes, Michael, it's a tax write-off. Frank, you still there?
Yeah, I'm just about holding on to the road.
We're taking the chopper and we'll head you off. Deal with these business-stealing pricks on the road.
Hey, dawg, can you, like, get on it? Because these dudes is rolling hard.
We're 5 minutes out from the chopper.
All right. Fucking hell! Hell! Shit!
Hellfire!
He yours, Chop. Let's do this shit. Oh, shit! Trevor, man, shit, you there? There was a deer in the road, man. These motherfuckers crashed out.
They crashed. They dead?
Nah, they gone. They ran into the fucking woods, man. I need air support like right fucking now.
Don't worry. Incoming!
Incoming? Man, you're all business.
Yeah, well, this is kind of important. These men don't like me, and they know we're back in the sandy shore, so... Here she is, the Biz Alley. Remember, she ain't mine, she's the company's.
Look, why do these guys, the O'Neills, want you dead anyway? There was a deal. Contract to end all contracts. your heart ain't in it. Yeah, I'm lucky my heart ain't in a pie on your kitchen table. Always with the quips. You're such a depressing cynic. Oh, poor Trevor. I'm sorry I'm a human being with thoughts and feelings and emotions. Wait a second. I remember this chopper. We used this to break into the IAA building. You stole it from the FIB? Not so. I took it in lieu of payment. There was a rifle on board, too, so if your panties aren't all in a twist over stolen office supplies, can you please use it to scan the forest for the O'Neills?
Hey, we here on the ground. Them hick dudes in the woods.
That model's fitted with a thermal scope. Look for their heat signatures. Check the river. They might be trying to float out of here. Okay, I got a guy in the water. I got him. Moving target front down. We ain't found him yet. I think I got one of them. You want to show mercy to the last of these innocents? Higher ground, Mikey. You find them on the hill. Move your sights up a little. I might have seen them. Thought I'd take a little sport while I had the chance. Hanging out with hillbillies, I might as well act like one. They look too cute and fluffy to be a bad guy. I think I see someone to the right there. You know, Russian oligarchs pay millions to hunt game like this. Hold her steady, T. I'm gonna bag me a prize buck. Thought I'd take a little sport while I had the chance. Hanging out with hillbillies, I might as well act like one. Scan right, I think I see someone. They look too cute and fluffy to be a bad guy. You know, Russian oligarchs pay millions to hunt game like this. That's the boy wonder. I think I see someone to the right there. Something's coming, watch out! Shit, what is that? There's nothing to shoot at, he's behind a rock.
Let's do this, little homie. Fight!
Frank, you wanna do me a favor here? Find him before he blows me to pieces.
Don't worry, man. We got this. If you swimming, I am too. Fuck. This water is cold as a motherfucker. You going down, you asshole! I felt that. We close. Dinner time, boy. Come on. I'm the last of my kind.
Don't worry, I got you.
Whoa, man. Last guy's done, homie.
All right, stay there. We'll come down and pick you up. Dead. Is there anyone else we should worry about trying to kill you? Oh, sure. Yeah, there's some bikers, the Chinese, Madrizzo's people, but whatever. Don't act like you're so popular. All right, back to the airfield. The airfield's mine, don't you? Oh, yeah. You can afford a runway, but you can't afford to move out of that corrugated metal death shack. So how you guys doing? Well, we're alive. Hey, good work down there. I'm the one who says thank you. He was helping me.
Good, huh? Helping a friend in need?
Come on, Chop. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Taking out some hillbilly crank dealers on a blood feud. That's what I live for.
Hey, Trev, man, we gonna borrow this and head back to town.
Sure.
Come on, Michael, man. I'll drop your ass off on the way back. Chop, get in.
See you back at Castle Phillips, Mike.
Yeah, thanks for the warning.
All right, we might be